And then the child just walked right through my house?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh my, is that the time already? I didn't know it was so late.
Huh?
I think it's best if I go now.
But it's only midnight. Plus, it's starting to snow. Maybe you should wait it out.
It's fine, really. Besides, I should really be heading home now.
How about one more glass of cider? I'll walk you home right after.
Oh, Sam. I don't want to be a bother, honestly. I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been hoping that you drop
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands. They're just like
My mother
ice.
will start to
Beautiful,
worry.
what's your hurry?
My father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace roar.
So really, I better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just to have a drink more.
Put some records on while I pour.
The neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say what's in this drink.
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how.
Your eyes are like
to
starlight.
break the spell.
I'll take your hat.
Why, thank you.
Your hair looks slow.
I ought to say no, no, no.
Mind if
sir.
I move in closer?
At least I'm gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense in hurting my pride?
I really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold outside.
Okay, fine. Just another drink then.
Will that take a lot of convincing?